Hi, this is a quick unboxing video of Hermes sandal for men. Let's go ahead and open the box. So the sandal came in these two dust bags. Let me take them out. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the dust bag before we open the sandals. Let me do a close-up. So I think one observation that I have seen with the dust bags that Hermes gave comparing to other brands like Gucci and Louis Vuitton, these are pretty well made. Louis Vuittons are more softer, yellowish, but these are great dust bags, just to point it out. Okay, let's take the sandal out. Take the other one out as well. Okay, let's do a real close-up. So it says Hermes Paris. This is navy color. The leather, it says Epsom leather, and then it says size 42. Hermes. I haven't worn them yet. Take the other one out as well. It says Hermes, made in Italy. Let me do a close-up. So this sandal has cushion on the sole. They are very comfortable. Okay, so let me show you what's on the box itself. It says sandals, Izmir, Epsom. I don't know what this 420 is. Overall, decent pair of sandals. These sandals are retailing for about $700 US. I just came back from Hawaii and I got these sandals there. So out of the door, they are $733 US. So here you have it. Quick unboxing of Hermes men's sandal. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for future video. Once again, thank you for your time.